Right, hi guys, welcome back. New dishwasher day. Yeah, we have a brand new dishwasher in the house. It's our first ever full-size dishwasher. As you may know, we used to have a hot point, which is currently outside in the rain, awaiting to go to the skip, if it wants to focus. There it is, the old Hotpoint Aquarius SIAL11010B slimline dishwasher. It's done us brilliantly for the past 7 years. However, unfortunately, it's been tripping the electrics, it's melted its plug, and the PCB has completely gone on it. Mid-cycle, it will just stop. It keeps beeping throughout the cycle, the rinse aid light never goes off, and sometimes it doesn't always want to start. And it's not been doing the best, but yeah, unfortunately the old Hotpoint Aquarius has now gone. And in its place, we have a brand new Bosch. Now this is our first ever full-size dishwasher, and it is pretty big. It is a Bosch Serie 2 It is a Bosch Serie 2 SL6PW1B. We brought this because we needed a new dishwasher, and we thought probably getting a full-size one would be the best. We got it in silver. We were going to get it in black, but I think silver goes quite nicely next to like the graphite colour of the washing machine, and it does match our kitchen very nice. So on the control panel, we have the off button, on-off button. What I love about this dishwasher is it tells you how long it's got left. So you've got Eco, which is 3 hours 45 minutes. You can add extra dry, half load, and speed perfect. You can do auto 45 to 65. I'm not sure how any of these work because it's not even been on yet. It was on a test cycle, but that was them finishing when I come home. Again, you can have the 3 options on this. The 3 options you've got, as I said, are extra dry, half load, and speed perfect. We've got intensive 70, which is the exact same as the auto, and again you can have all of the options on in one go, which I think is quite good. I feel that the extra dry and the speed perfect may come in quite handy. Express 65, which is an hour. You can't have speed perfect on this, you can't have half load, but you can have extra dry, which I suppose obviously not having half load and speed perfect because it is an express cycle. Got silence 50, which is 4 hours. Can have extra dry, half load, and speed perfect. And there is the favourite starred program, which is a 15-minute cycle. I don't really... I suppose the favourite cycle could actually be a pre-rinse, which is a good idea. So we've got the delay start, which goes up in hours. All the way up to 24 hours. You've got remote start, which you can do from your phone. I haven't currently got it connected to my phone. Obviously, as I say, you've got extra dry, half load, and speed perfect. And then you do have a machine care, which is a 2 hour 10-minute cycle. And I'm not sure if you can even add, you can't add options on this. It's basically like the drum clean you get on a washing machine. It's a special dishwasher clean. And then we go back through to the programs. And then of course you have your start button. Now, already I love some of the programs. You know, Eco is a program we always used on the previous machine. Intensive is one we always used. Express occasionally gets used. I'm looking forward to trying the Silence. I must admit, it does have less programs on here, but again, this is one of the Wi-Fi connected dishwashers, so you can, you know, have different programs and connect it through your phone. The previous dishwasher only had, like, I think it had Eco, Intensive, Normal, Fast 60, which was like an hour, Glassware, Express 25, which was weirdly like a half an hour quick cycle, and then you had like a soak, which is pre-rinse, which is what this probably is. But again, if you go through your phone, you know, you've probably got glassware, delicate ware, pots and pans, etc, etc. So if we open the door, first things first, we've got the little rinse aid bit here, and where you would pop your tablets. There are some dirty dishes in here. So, bottom rack, really good size, really big. You can actually fold these darker grey ones down to put pots and pans in, which I think is brilliant. In there, you've obviously got your spray arm, the filters, and where the salt will go, which I think, again, you know, we can fit so much more in this, and it is brilliant. And then up here, you've got the second rack for like your glasses and mugs. We are going to adjust this so as it does go slightly lower, because you can actually lower this rack, which is what we're going to do because we can't get mugs in it properly. Again, you have this spray arm here. However, you can actually take this off, and there is a special like shower head kind of attachment, which is used for pots and pans. And then you have the third rack, which is specialised for cutlery and utensils. And oh my goodness me, you can fit a lot of cutlery in this, which I think is brilliant. We've never had anything like this on a dishwasher. Our previous dishwashers, we've only ever had, you know, the top rack and the bottom rack. And then in the bottom rack, we've had like a little basket where, you know, you can put all of the cutlery and that in. Now, having a full-size dishwasher is going to be good. It probably won't be on as much as the previous dishwasher, because again, a slimline one, that was on every day, if not twice, because you couldn't fit too much in it. Now, if I just quickly remove this. There you go. So we got this dishwasher delivered from AO.com, and unfortunately, don't know if you can see that massive crack and dent. Yeah, unfortunately, the top of our dishwasher has actually arrived with quite a big hairline crack and a bit of a dent. So it has arrived slightly damaged, which, you know, is not really acceptable, is it? Not when you pay all that money for a good dishwasher. You don't really want it to arrive damaged. But again, we are going to put some special, I think we're going to put like another countertop on this, or like a counter protector, just to protect the top of it, because it's already arrived damaged. And AO have already said, well, look, that's not our business. You need to speak to certain people. You know, we spoke to the delivery men. Oh, well, I'm sorry, that's not our job. You know, you need to get in contact, and then we'll need to come pick it up, and then you'll need to wait more and more days. It's essentially only a little hairline crack, which, you know, it's no big issue, but again, it shouldn't arrive damaged. It's actually going to be more hassle to rebox this up, send it back to AO, and then get the same dishwasher again. We were going to go for a slimline one, however, the slimline machine we wanted was the exact same price as this full-size Bosch. So, yeah. Another great feature I love about this is it tells you how long it has left, which I think is brilliant. And again, you've got more cycles that you can add through your phone. and probably loads more options. Again, I need to get the app and you know, go through it all. But no, I mean, it is a lovely, like, stainless steel and silver. It really goes nice in the kitchen. On its test cycle, which was the Express 65, it heats incredibly well, and it is actually very quiet. You know, it's not too loud, and it ran through really, really well. So it's all plumbed in and connected. It can't go back any further because there's this piece of wall sticking out here, which has got all, like, there's hot and cold water pipes, toilet waste pipe, drain waste pipes from the bathroom, and our soil stack as well. That's all boxed in behind there, so unfortunately it can't go back any further. And even if it was to go here, the radiator is in the way. But no, I mean, we're quite happy with where it is. It's considerably much bigger than the previous machine. But yeah, I am very, very pleased so far. So I'll give you an update with its first cycle to go ahead. But yeah, this is the Bosch Serie 2 SL6PW1B. Made in Poland. And then what I will do is I will take you out and show you the old dishwasher. So here's the old dishwasher, the Hotpoint Aquarius SIAL11010K. Slimline dishwasher in black. Again, you only had half load on this and the tablet option. There was a delay timer. As you can see, half the programs are rubbed off. But this is what I mean, like, look, you didn't get much space. The bottom rack is actually really badly bent and rusted. You know, like, all of these have just bent and broken over the years. Again, there's the little cutlery basket that you get. And then again, the top rack wasn't very big. I mean, we don't actually have these little things on the new Bosch, but this is where we would put, like, spatulas and larger items of utensils. But it was very loose. But then again, we have had it for 7 years. If I come around the back, as you can see, the back has gone very, very odd. You know, all this sticker that was just covered in grease and that. Here's the standpipe. And here is the cable and the new plug that I fitted, because the previous plug had completely melted and one of the prongs had actually come out because it was so badly melted. So I brought a brand new plug, put it on, and as soon as it came on, it just basically went. And you can see here, look, where it's like, that's not even limescale or dirt, that is something where the inside of the machine has melted and whatnot. There's all this polystyrene here, I don't even know if that's meant to be in there. But yeah, all the PCB has gone, and again, it's, you know, not worth it anymore. If it's broken, it's broken. So yeah, there's the old dishwasher, a nice Hotpoint that has done us extremely well for the past 7 years. So that is now, again, ready to go to skip. And obviously now we have the nice fresh Serie 2. What I will do is I'll do a follow-up review video after, you know, it's had a few cycles through it. And hopefully it'll be pretty good. So, hope you've all enjoyed watching. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again soon with this Bosch Serie 2.